Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm working on a DIY Kwanzaa charcuterie board. For this project, I'm using a pre-cut wooden African shape that I got from Michael's. I'm also using these Park Lane wooden knobs that I got from Joann's Fabrics, as well as wood glue and butcher block oil that I got from Ace Hardware. The making of this project is pretty simple, and I just want to come up with some alternative craft ideas for Kwanzaa because I saw these extra pieces of these African shapes at Michael's. But if you want to do this project, you can always go to Michael's and get one of these African woodcut pieces. But if you're looking for something thicker, Etsy would be a great place to go to if you want to have a custom thicker butcher block wood for this project. So to make this charcuterie board, all I'm pretty much doing is taking the wooden balls, and I'm using wood glue to glue them to the backside of the continent of Africa woodcut shape. After that dries completely, then I'm just going to wipe it down in the butcher block oil, and that makes it food safe. So the butcher block oil, you do a couple of coats of that, like 2 or 3 coats, let it dry, and it becomes food safe. That way you can use it for food. And so I think this would be an idea in honoring the first fruits, which Kwanzaa stands for. And I think it's a great way to kind of showcase that off in your Kwanzaa displays. I'd like to thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Feel free to share and leave me a comment below. And I wish you guys all a very joyous and happy Kwanzaa.